This is crude oil for the week ending September 27th. On Monday, we have a buy signal right here, which immediately drops down to the stop loss, giving us a 30-cent loss. If we take an optional trade in red, another buy at the buy line, and simply take it to the first target, we have our 30 cents back. We're scoring this day only on the blacks, which is a loss of 30 cents. On Tuesday, right here, we have a buy that's rides very nicely up to yesterday's low and actually all the way up to this line here, which is the outermost target. Score that one as winning 44 cents. Then we have a wedge there, and there's the back of the wedge. A breakout of the wedge is a buy here, and on this blue arrow right here, we would exit if we're being conservative, which we tend to be, and take another 40-cent profit. However, just the one black trade was worth 44 cents today. On Wednesday, we're presented with a strong moving short here that moves quickly down to and beyond this second target line. If you don't get out, then you will get another shot on this bar to get out at the second target line, so score that as 40 cents for black. Here you have a repeat break of the sell line, which then rides down quite comfortably until you get to the furthest of the three targets, which is actually out there. That's worth 80 cents, and yes, you can get a little bit more out of it, but you can also get yourself all unhappy on this bar here. On Thursday, we have a very early short, which hopefully we get out of at the green bar, the first target bar, because that's followed up by a buy signal right here, which is stopped out in a couple of bars, which makes the day even. On Friday, we have a perspective. We have a buy here. There's no perspective. We have a buy here. The end of the bar, 3 dots show. The prudent thing to do when that happens is pack it in. So this actually should be a trade that's worth perhaps 15 cents. We scored it as having been stopped out because it came back down to here before getting up there. So we actually scored it as a negative. Here, this pink bar breaks through the short line and moves down quite comfortably again to this second target bar here, which is where we would get out of it. As you can see, it's actually going to go quite a bit lower, and if you chose to do so, you could get out in here. We scored that day as 24 cents profit between the two trades, and that gives us a black only week of 78 cents with up to 80 plus 40 plus 30 is $1.50, up to an additional $1.50 for quite a good week.